See from nyupo artingka ka government kara direct sa kanay po tingga, which means bakar kara do rakat pratingga lementar da government ko ang penyiar repeat artingka which means kadang kiwi kan tingga ken to original isto nyupo ar ka po sa kanay po they kala hike in price by 18 rupees. If the government is saying that it has relieved it has decreased the price of petrol by 2 rupees, which means in reality it's still kadang he by kan tingga ken dang ra do kan rin to original. Kaditang ka tax, kidi ka government kadi wala ban roll back ka tax ya. Namar ka ka benchmark baka buo ka sa government kadi 18%. Tika government jingi ka diesel ka tax 22%, ka petrol 31. I think it's too high kan ban taxan. Mara di ando di ka tax kipat ba te. Ngilit really we run the business, whatever tax that needs to be paid to the government we paid. But eventually pada when there's too much of increase in taxes ni, eventually ka tax paduk pasok te. Banga kadang kalau ke sistem tek sistem mensuang sedang ya pamangtai tinggal kerma hau benai fab jong ke lockdown ke government ke tax ya ke petrol ya ke diesel ke tax 13.5%, but 13.5 kalai poinsan, but ya ke petrol ki tax 22%, kat bakasan sales tax kadai 18%. Tingi hak ban stu ke wiru baka petrol ke diesel kini ki doesn't fall within GST. Kini syak categorize saka Meghalaya value added tax. Kini kadika state subject. Tinggal ngakan mau ba hadin ke lockdown. Wat tu ke lockdown ru ke ekonomi ke syahid so hard ba ngitep i barok hai i baka price jong crude oil ke international market ka her. Tindai pause hadin jong ka tang si benai ti benai April. Ngakan mau mid month jong April pada ke government ka ra ke tax jong ka diesel nak 13.5 saka 22%, but ke petrol nak 22% saka 31%. Tinggi sekolah dah hak bandra ke tax, so at least there has to be a gradual slope kan bandra mo. Supposing ke diesel nak 13.5, kadi bandra so saka 15, 17 kumta kan rei kensan kira bin nak 13.5 saka 22. Te bat kensan kira pat ya ke petrol nak 22 saka 31%. Te ngas ngau ba kan ni ka ta eventually pada ka ta ya kakta pat dia ka hiduk isok kan maka kiyo kunsan fi ka petrol mesin ka kiyo ka baik kali teman obviously by kamarba mardi ka kiyo te kembangan men remind me fi to ngiru baka state jungi kolong totally dependable on roadways for transportation. Neither we have access to airways, waterways, and railways. We totally dependable on roadways for transportation. Te sisian bakal kiyo dor hi ka diesel tengah try kamarba ru kan kiyo hi sa khamtam ni le baka state jungi pa ki khamtam yu khaw kapag transport ukhaw ko debit through FCI. Te state government kahaban ket bitek ya to 9 tons capacity bakla implement ke Supreme Court. Ni kamna ban violate ya to. Te eventually to bahap ket nang kanai ton for that distance we kaban cover. Katur eventually kapan kiyo dor te ya kamarbam. Te sakaweru hoy ngastu begin mangildir ng bibo kalihi. Te manakani bikipen kiyo ka tax so ka tax kali ka babon. Kadan ka MPGT tax dan kadan ka road tax. Kadan ka fitness haban siu ka pollution MLMTU mah jang ka labor te ka insurance if haban siu ka professional tax if haban siu but eventually ka to ka permit tax te lada ka government ka penkiyo kini ki tax te fikmil ti kemno driver taxi kin nak to ka riat ka barim te ka jingwan jong niru ban support mde ba ong bangin ya penkiyo ya ta ka baikali ngiring support mi kwa bakan her ka baikali bakan skinsuk kipat ba tinggal sengau bakan hari ka baikali hi bakan her ka ta ka baik taxi hi kadan ka maka government kan haban penihar tagi tax ke badai bat ka nakaliang transport department bat ke di ban penihar pada ya kata tax ke badai naka petrol baka diesel te kumbang i kini media affiliate hing i isa target tangi representative jongga state jungin ri kani it's collective effort fi baro 60 MLAs ke di ban ya tendrong lang ya kini bat ka subject matter ke badai ban long answerable yang ni hi ngastu i di tang taxation minister but transport minister taxation minister he is highly responsible ban clarification hak badi bara ya ka to ka Meghalaya tax ya ka petrol but diesel from kumbang time na ka diesel from 13.5 to 22 and petrol from 22 to 31. The transportation minister but he is answerable to all those taxes be related ki kalifi but eventually the phila ban penihar ki taxes jong kali the phila ban roll back biang ya to ka percentages jong ba phira ya ka to ka petrol but diesel tebot dada ka duna ka ba petrol ba diesel ki duna ta ki tax yang atrai kini rikin haban pendunai ka baik kali ta te am ba jurwa matrai kata ngir ngar ka jingmi jongar di luar kata kanong rem
to ka lockdown ka khajna jong ka passenger tax kaduna ba hadin ka lockdown ka kiyo kani ka passenger tax te kum ta ter te ki berkhoi kolong ka jingtmu jong sarkar kolong ba wala pi ai ki kitat jingi bangin yang ri pi khre ban ot nok te ki kitat jongi te ki ngin yang man